Now we're going to talk about every single light fitting that's specifically designed for runways. The first lights you need to know about runways are what they call edge lights. You see, these edge lights run along the edges of the runway here and there, and they tell the pilot literally where the edges are. They can come like this, where they're nice and flat and they're flush, or they can be elevated off to the side like that. And when they're red, that means the pilots are getting towards the end of the runway, so they always need to watch out for the red lights. The next lights you need to know are these ones. These are the white centerline lights, and they run the exact center. You see, these lights right here are once you land and you hear dug, 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 dug. That means the pilots are literally smashing these lights straight over. And you also have white reds. Red means you're getting towards the end of the runway. Next up, you have this little row of 4 lights right here. You see 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is what they call the touchdown zones, and that is right here. The lights that tell the pilot where they should be aiming their wheels to actually land it. And if you look closely right there, you can see they're actually pointing in a particular direction. On this side will be shining towards the center of the runway, and then the ones on the other side will be shining towards the center of the runway, just to make sure they're always pointing towards the pilots that are down the center of the runway trying to land that aeroplane. And now last but not least, right at the end of the runway, you have one final light fitting that you'd find right about here, which is this one. You see, this is called the end bar, and it's basically the red lights that are telling there's no more runway left, stop. But this runway end bar, it's quite a unique one. It has an orange light on this side, and it has these lights all the way around. Who could guess what a light like this could be used for? Let me know in the comments if you know the answer to that.